Hi, in this video tutorial, we'll install Python on Windows operating system. So before installing Python, just check if Python is already installed on the machine. Open a command prompt with administrator privileges. Check if Python is installed on the machine using the Python command. Notice that the Python is not installed on the machine. Go ahead to the step 2. Launch a Python website on a web browser and navigate to python.org. Click on the downloads button. Here you can see the download button. Hit on the download button to download the latest version of Python. Go to the Windows Installer 64-bit and click on the link. This will download the Python installer onto your computer. Locate the installer on your machine and double click on the installer. This will launch the install wizard screen. You can add Python to your path environment variable and click on the install now button. Accept the UAC prompt and this will install the Python on your Windows machine. Once you are done with the installation, close the install wizard screen and verify the installation. Open the command prompt and enter Python version command. Relaunch the command prompt. And check the Python install. You should be able to see the Python version displayed on to the prompt window. To know more about the Python, uh, run the Python help command to get all the command line options that you can use with the Python command. That's it. The Python installation was successful, and thanks for watching this video.